Blake, what, over there, then round? Do you wanna?
I want to go in the big hill.
Come on then. What is Mr. Big? Hold tight. Keep an eye on it. Yeah. Right over the hill? Go down here. Yeah. You want to go shop? Too far? Yeah. This one. That's what I was what I'm on about. I think it might be a little bit bigger than now. The best way to learn to survive, what quick is your pedal from. You can hold yourself up. This isn't good. Well, wow, I thought you were behind me. Right, you can do it.